This information video shows the CPA system's functions, its built-in permanent self-test function, and how the system can easily be tested. What is the CPA system? The CPA system consists of two main modules: the CPA Scanning Sensor Module, and the CPA Artificial Intelligence Central Electronics Module. The CPA sensor system is ready installed at an outside wall of the building. The CPA Central Control Electronic is ready installed inside the building. The CPA system is armed and running. The CPA Sensor Module is scanning the environment. The CPA AI Central Electronic Unit itself consists of three modules. The main electronics, the monitor unit, the GSM unit generating the cell phone connection and SMS alarm function. The lighting green LED, named as active, indicates that the system is operating and armed. The CPA monitor unit indicates, always permanently, irregular incoming pulses. This is normal. The CPA system has no main switch to ensure it cannot be switched off, and thus is running permanently, protecting its owner. To switch the CPA system off, you need to either disconnect the main supply, or to remove the main fuse at the left lower edge of the electronics main unit. A look at the GSM module. The slowly flashing of the green LED at the GSM module shows that the GSM function is running, and the system is logged in the GSM net. Now a look at the CPA monitor module. The CPA monitor module has no influence to the whole system's function. It just indicates what the CPA sensor module is receiving, and what the CPA Central Electronics is then evaluating from that input. The sound switch is put to the beep function. These pulses arriving at the CPA sensor module permanently are indicated here by a red LED, and counted by the digital counter. The CPA system is very sensitive, and indicates the very weak energy impulses of the so-called natural background radiation, which exists everywhere on the world, in diverse intensity. It produces irregular pulses, between roughly 50 to 1000 or more pulses per hour, depending on the geographical position. For normal silent operation of the CPA system, the sound should be switched off. The easy test of the complete CPA system. This test is performed by looking at the monitor unit. The permanent, irregular indication of 50 to 1000 pulses per hour, coming from the natural environment, are the perfect permanent proof of the complete correct function of all modules of the CPA system. The alarming function. In case of occurring radionuclide or radioactive materials, there is a sudden, extreme increase in registered pulses. If the amount of this energy pulses override an adjustable energy threshold, an alarm is activated, resulting in activation of the red alarm LED at the main unit, an acoustical alarm signal, and the sending of an alarm SMS message to the programmed mobile phones. Additional alarm devices can be connected, that are simultaneously activated for multiple or remote alarming. When the alarm is over, a release SMS message is sent, generating an alarm manually. Checking the alarm function by qualified personnel only. See also the CPA system installation manual. First, disable the SMS function by taking out the fuse at the CPA monitor unit, preventing the sending of an alarm SMS to the customer's mobile phones during this test. Now using a digital voltmeter, range 600 volts DC, and simply measuring the high voltage of about 600 volts DC, between pin 1, brown, and pin 4, yellow, at the sensor cable connection block. It will generate a system alarm, sustained as long as the measurement is kept. If auxiliary alarm devices are connected to the system, these will be activated and checked simultaneously. Very important. Reinsert the fuse after this test, to ensure the continuous mobile phone and SMS functions. This concludes the complete test of the CPA system. Finally, check if the CPA system is running normally again.